How can AI revolutionize sustainable agriculture? Think about it for a moment. In our world today, sustainable agriculture has taken center stage, and for good reason. It's the key to feeding a growing global population, maintaining our planet's biodiversity, and combating climate change. But it's not without its challenges. From unpredictable weather patterns to pests and diseases, farmers face numerous obstacles in their quest to grow healthy, bountiful crops. Enter artificial intelligence, a potential game changer in this field. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI can help farmers make smarter decisions, optimize crop yields, and reduce environmental impact. Imagine drones using AI to precisely distribute fertilizers and pesticides, reducing waste and protecting the environment. Or AI systems predicting weather patterns and advising farmers on the best times to plant and harvest. AI is not just a buzzword, it's a tool with the potential to transform agriculture as we know it. Now, let's delve into the practical applications of AI in agriculture. Our first stop is the vibrant agricultural fields of India, where farmers are confronted with the age-old problem of crop diseases. In the past, these diseases often meant a significant loss of yield and income. However, with the advent of AI, this narrative is changing. Farmers are now using AI-powered apps to predict and manage crop diseases. By simply taking a picture of the affected plant, the app can identify the disease and suggest the best treatment strategies. This not only enables farmers to act swiftly, but it also reduces the indiscriminate use of harmful pesticides. The result? Healthier crops, higher yields, and a safer environment. Now let's fly over to sunny California, where AI is revolutionizing the way farmers monitor crop health and irrigation needs. AI-powered drones are being deployed over vast agricultural fields, capturing high-resolution images that reveal the health status of each plant.